Hi, this is Dale at IFoundAgent. I'm going to do a demonstration of our blogging IDX search tool and CRM integration to show the full cycle, if you will, of working with a customer who's asked you for a search that you would typically put into the MLS, and we're telling you as a client of ours to put it into your website and then drop them into the CRM so that you don't lose touch with them. So here it goes. I'm going to actually do a demonstration using one of our test websites, Houses Chandler AZ, and we're going to do a demonstration to show somebody looking for homes in Warner Ranch. So I'm going to get into that demonstration right now. So I just got done with an open house, and I have a new customer. As an agent, I have a new customer who's asked me to send them updates or send them a search of all 3-bedroom and up homes in Warner Ranch for sale. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm opening up my admin of my website. In fact, these people just left an open house that I was sitting in Warner Ranch this past weekend, or just now actually. And this is how quick I could be in touch with them. So I'm going to open up a new blog post. I'm going to hit add new. And I'm going to put in here 3 or more bedroom, well, actually, let's do it this way. Homes for sale in Warner Ranch with 3 or more bedrooms. And that's all I'm going to say. I'm going to put in a brief description. Now I'm just going to keep this amount of content, but typically if you're going to publish out to Facebook, which is part of what our tool does, you're going to want to put in what they say at Facebook is 256 characters, which is approximately 4 sentences. I'm going to leave it at 1 so that you guys can see what I'm saying. And then I'm going to write something about this. I'm just going to drop this in. This blog or this search is for homes for sale in Warner Ranch for 3 or more bedrooms. I'm going to leave it like that. So this isn't necessarily the style that you would do, but I'm putting this in here so that you can get a sense of the content and where it shows up in the blog post once I publish it. Now I'm going to build my search, and then I click this button for that, and I open up, and I'm just going to put subdivision Warner Ranch, and then I'm going to say 3 bedrooms, and I'm going to leave it blank over here so it's 3 and up. And I'm not going to do any baths because I just want to pull in basically I'm pulling in any home with more than 3 bedrooms, which pretty much is going to be every bedroom or every house in Warner Ranch, etc. I can also do other things in here where I can come in and do kitchen features, for example, and I can pick, all homes with a dishwasher, etc. So all the types of things you can do inside the MLS, you can do inside our system. Another example would be garage spaces. That's a big one. You got to have at least 2 garage spaces. So let's put this in here, add criteria, minimum 2. So 2 garage spaces, 3 bedrooms in Warner Ranch, and we're going to leave it like that for now. I'm going to click this in, and there's our code. If I have to change the search because I'm not really getting what I want, you have to highlight all of this and then just click your button, and everything you just searched for is there. Warner Ranch 3, 2, and you can add more to it from here if you want. You also could draw a map if you needed to. It's a very simple polygon map tool. You just click on the polygon, click, 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 and you're done. For this demo, I'm not going to do that. So we are showing what we want to show. And now all I'm going to do is publish this as all communities. I could do some further SEO if I wanted to, search engine optimization, but I'm not going to do it at this point. I'm just going to publish this blog post and get it out to my customer because I'm trying to beat them to their car. Because if you remember, they just came to see me at a open house. So I'm going to hit publish. And as soon as this gets done thinking and publishing, I'm going to look at the blog post. So now I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to go open link in new tab. And there I go. I've got, I'm showing the first of 15 of 28 results. And here it is. So I'm around Kyrene Road and Ray Road. So this is the Tempe version of Warner Ranch, and this is the Chandler version of Warner Ranch. This is like the larger version of Warner Ranch, the larger portion of Warner Ranch. So I'm happy with my results, so I want to send this to my customer. And actually, you'll notice 5-bedroom, 5-bedroom, 4-bedroom, 3-bedroom. So I'm showing what I want to show, so I'm happy with that. Let's scroll back out. And I'm going to now send this to my customer. So I'm going to come back into my post. I haven't gone anywhere. And now I'm going to click email using CRM. And I'm going to click that blue button. And I get this screen right away. And you'll notice here's the published post or search on my website. So I'm now going to set up the recurring email to my customer. So I'm going to click this button up here called recurring. And I'm going to say repeat every day. I'm going to start today. And I'm going to repeat this. I'm going to end it after, I could go 90 occurrences. So for 90 days, my customer is going to get this email for me. But for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to do 2 days. And I'm going to select the new lead follow-up folder to assign this to. And then I'm going to make sure, I'm sure that I don't have these people in my database yet because I just met them. So I'm going to add new client. And I'm going to say Dale Stauffer Demo. That's my name, Demo 1. And then I'm going to say my email address is StaufferDemo1 at IFoundAgent.com. That's my email address. I'm going to put in my phone number, 226-3020. And from here, I'm going to save new contact. There's my email address right there. Home search you asked me for in Warner Ranch. I'm going to say, hi, Dale. All of this is editable, of course. So I'm going to say, hi, Dale. Here's the search you asked me for in Warner Ranch. Click the link or paste in your web browser. Boom, this is going out. So I've now set this up to be a recurring email that goes out 3 times to my customer that they now have, that they're now going to be getting communications from me. And that's how simple it is to see how, how to make that connection. Now let's go look at my contacts. And there I am. That's the last one, and it shows, the way I have this set up is it actually shows me the last created search. So I'm going to click into the contact. And right now I know that so far I haven't gotten the email sent out yet. It's still sitting on the server getting ready to cycle out. But one of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to send myself a text. I'm going to send a text. So I'm going to say, hi, Dale. Did you get my text or email about the search you asked me for? And then I'm going to send the text. Okay. So now you can see up here's the subject. This is the email I sent. So I know that the email has been now sent to the server. And from here, here's the text that I sent. And this is still in my client record. And when I look at my phone, I now see that I got the text. So I'm going to say, yes, I did. And I'm going to send it back. And you'll notice when I send this back, I just got a notice on my phone saying, hey, you received the text back. And when I click this, there's the text, yes, I did. So now I know that I'm communicating with my client. And let me check in my email and make sure I got the search. And sure enough, when I go to my inbox, and I'm looking on my phone for my search, and there's the search, home search you asked me for, and I click on it. It says houses, ChandlerAZ.com, homes for sale in Warner with 3 or more bedrooms. So I now got that on my phone, and for the next 3 days, I'm going to get that same email from myself. So that's the cycle. That's the very basics of what you can use the website for, the CRM for, the IDX for, to stay in basic communication with any buyer. You can also do the same thing for somebody you've sold a home to. So you would go back into add a new post, and instead of going and setting up a new post, I'm just going to click this again. And what you can do from here is change from active to closed, and then build out the same search, set it up, drop your past client in, click this, to go out to them again, and then put in your past clients and put them on. When you hit recurring for past clients, what I would do is, every 90 days, I want to send them a quarterly update of all the homes that have closed in their neighborhood in the last 90 days. So I'd set up a search on my website, drop that search into a recurring email to them. You could do every 90 days after, 4 times 12 is 48. So I want to go 60. So 60 occurrences is 5 years. So I'm going to do every 90 days, they're going to get this email from me. After 60 occurrences, this campaign will stop. So you could say, I'm now going to communicate with that customer who I sold a home to at a minimum of 60 times over the next 5 years, showing them closed listings. So that's the basic operation of how our websites with the CRM integrates into our blog searches, giving you the power to manage your business, manage all the conversations you're looking to have with all our customers to get you to the goals that you set for yourself. Thanks a lot.